Today, we are going to make a multi-level Kirby maze game in Scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to build a maze game just like this one, where Kirby has to find a star. This project is perfect for beginners, and we'll keep it nice and easy to follow. Let's get started. First, we need a background for our maze. Because this is a multi-level game, we're going to upload 4 different maze backgrounds. Each backdrop will be one level of our game. We'll switch to the next maze backdrop every time Kirby finds the star, so he can move on to the next level. Now let's remove the scratch cat and upload the star sprite. This star is the destination of our maze. Place the star at the end of the maze path, where you want Kirby to reach it. When the green flag is clicked, then set the star size to 15% so it's not too big. Next, use a go to block to move the star to the exit of the maze right where you want Kirby to finish. Now we can upload our main character, Kirby. When the green flag is clicked, set his rotation style to left-right so he only faces the way he's moving. Then use go to block to move Kirby to the entrance of the maze. Also set his size a little bigger. Now, let's add the controls for Kirby so we can move him around the maze. Grab a forever loop. If the up arrow is pressed, set Kirby to point in direction 0 degrees. Then move 3 steps and switch to the next costume to make it look like Kirby is walking. Now, we can duplicate this whole block 3 times to build the other directions. For each copy, change the key to the right, left, and down arrows, and change the direction angles so Kirby moves the correct way. Right now, Kirby can walk through the walls, and that's not what we want in a maze game. Let's fix that. We can add an if block. If Kirby is touching the wall color using eyedropper, then move him back 3 steps. Now, duplicate this code 3 more times, 1 for each direction, and place it under the movement code for right, left, and down. Now, let's make the game move to the next level when Kirby finds the star. Inside our code, if Kirby touches the star, make Kirby say, "Let's go to the next level," for 1 second, then broadcast a new message called next level. This message will tell the game to switch to the next maze backdrop. And don't forget to move Kirby back to the entrance so he can start the new level from the beginning. To make this a multi-level game, we need some setup for the backdrops. Go to the backdrop. When the green flag is clicked, set the backdrop to map 1. So that's our starting level. And when I receive the next level message, switch to the next backdrop so the maze changes for the new level. And that's it, you just make your own multi-level maze game with Kirby. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for coding with me today. See you in the next video.